ThiEYE Carview 4 Dashcam 4K Video Recorder Night Vision Dual Lens Mirror DVR with GPS Car Camera Recorder, Rear Camera for Car. Why you choose Carview 4 but not others? 1. 4K 10IPS Car Camera. Carview 4 offer 4K front camera and 1080p rear camera. Definition is high and image shows more clear. 10 big screen is easy to operate and know the condition of the car at a glance. 2. Dual 170 degrees wide angle lenses. Front and rear camera both support 170 degrees wide angle to check the traffic. It makes you feel more safe and ease when you are driving. 3. Super night version function with f1.8 large aperture. Camera could capture the light well. You could see the car number clearly even at night. 4. Voice command. You could use particular password in specific scenario to ask the device open and lock screen, or some other things. Language only support to use English. 5. Auto emergency recording. The sensor will detect collision. Video will lock automatically at that moment right away. 6. Reversing aid system help you to judge the distance, make you faster and easier to see the reverse situation. 4K dual lens mirror dash cam. Carview 410 highlights make your driving more secure. Real 4K recording. The upgraded front real 4K lens, delivering more sharp and clear picture than ever before. Dual 170 degrees wide angle lenses. The dual 170 degrees wide angle lenses can cover 4-lane road views and reduce blind spots. It provides you a broader view to make driving safer. Capture clear details even at night. With f1.8 large aperture, it allows the camera capture more light at night, making the recording video clear and bright even at night. Bigger 10 Ultra HD touchscreen. Carview 4 packs a 10IPS Ultra HD touchscreen. It can deliver a more big and clear picture, which makes you see more details when check traffic situation and view recording videos. Touch controls make it easy and convenient for operation or setting with the tap of finger. Focus on driving with voice command. Easily control the dash cam while driving with voice commands to avoid accidents. Make it safe and convenient for driving. Auto emergency recording. Built-in sensitive G sensor. It will automatically record and lock the recording video when detects collision, such as rear-end collision, so the video can be used as evidence to divide accident liability and make insurance claims. Protect your car day and night with parking monitor. When your car is touched or collided by other people or cars, Carview 4 will automatically turn on and record a video. Carview 4 keeps an eye on your car day and night. Loop recording. Loop recording will automatically clear old unlocked videos when TF card is full to make the most of the TF card storage. No need to manually clear the video. Reversing aid system. After connecting the rear lens to the car's reverse light, the reversing aid system will automatically turn on when reversing. Make reversing hassle-free and safer. Easy installation with mounting strap. You can easily install and remove your mirror dashcam without dismantling your rear view mirror. Equipped with GPS. Carview 4 comes with a GPS antenna. It can track your driving route, location and speed with ease.